Yeah, I know what time it is, man. A little something, something. .60. A little work in progress. Still got baby over there too, man. So she ain't gone yet, man.
About to be.
Yeah, got my boy with me, man. Got my boy Red with me, man.
Let me get this thing.
See how what the motherfucking do, man.
Show out on. I have to run up there behind him. Yeah, you see me. Real to real. Come on now. They already know what it is. Right there in the front too. Ooh, let's see what he about to do now. He always got something under his sleeve now. Hold on, let's catch him in action. What he about to do? What he about to do? Some forges on that thing sitting right too. Forges sitting right. Give my boy that quick thumbnail. See what he gonna do. Got lift off. I knew he was finna do it to him. You got scared? Get out the way then. Boy, cutting up. See, he gonna come back through. See what he gonna do when he come back through. That boy went far then. He put that bug on the stretch. He really trying to see what it do. There you go. What's it hit a donut in front of everybody? The whole highway. Don't play with Koom. That boy act a fool out here. For real. Real to real, the cameraman. We'll be showing out. Show up and show out. Show up and show out. Real to real Koomlaude, man. Subscribe to my boy Koomlaude. Peace.
Yeah. Alright now. We on some Bunny and Clyde shit. Big Bang Road, we buy shit. We duck off, let's high shit. She on some I can't lie shit. Don't wanna act right to buy shit. Baby going on with that drop shit. Got deals on the pussy, that's my shit. She down for whatever, that's my bitch. Cause she got a winner, I got a winner. She got a winner and I got a winner. She got a winner, I got a winner. She got a winner and I got a winner. She got a winner, I got a winner. She got a winner and I got a winner.